Hi friends, welcome to my channel Alexa's Garden. In this video I decided to show you what flowers I will plant at the very beginning of February to have a blooming garden in April. I hope this video will be useful for you. Number 1. Begonia. Begonia grows very slowly from seed. It takes at least 3 months. Some varieties of begonia grow even slower, so I plant begonia seeds in late January or early February. The first begonia sprouts appear after about 10 to 15 days. They are very small and grow very slowly. The optimum temperature for germination of begonia seeds is about 77 degrees Fahrenheit, or 25 degrees Celsius. As soon as the first sprouts appear, the temperature should be lowered to 64 degrees Fahrenheit, or 18 degrees Celsius, and periodically ventilate and water the small plants. The first flowers of begonia you will see in May. Number 2. Viola. Viola is usually a biennial plant. Its seeds should be sown in August, and at the end of October, transplanted to a permanent place to get the first flowers next year. But breeding companies have changed the way gardeners look at this flower, and now we can grow viola as an annual. I start sowing viola at the beginning of February, and already in early May the first beautiful, very delicate flowers appear. I want to say that viola does not like hot days, it needs coolness and moisture. Number 3. Daisy. The daisy is also a flower that we usually grow in 2 years, just like the violet. However, the breeders have already worked on it, so now I can sow daisy seeds in February, and already in early May I can enjoy beautiful flowers. By the way, the daisy likes to scatter its seeds around, and after a while new young plants grow there, which can be transplanted to a new place in the garden at the end of summer. Numbers 4, 5, 6. Cascading flowers. These are Petunia cascada, Verbena cascada, Cascade catharanthus, and others. Such plants require much more time to form and increase the number of long green stems on which the flowers will form in the future. That is why I sow seeds of cascade plants either in January or in early February in order to get abundant flowering in May, as soon as the spring frosts pass. Number 7. The Chinese Carnation. The Chinese Carnation is a wonderful perennial, but young plants unfortunately grow very slowly, so carnation seeds should be sown as early as possible. I already have several varieties of Chinese Carnation growing in my flower bed. The plant is resistant to cold, and even now, at the end of January, its stems are green and can be used to propagate such a carnation by cuttings. Number 8. Dichondra. For my winter hardiness zone 5B, this is a very unusual plant, and it deserves special attention because it grows very slowly. I sow dichondra seeds as early as I can. Sometimes it can be December, sometimes it can be January. But this year I will do it in February, because the cost of electricity has gone up so much that I have to postpone sowing the seeds a bit. I have 2 different kinds of dichondra that differ in leaf color. Take a look. This is what Dichondra Silver Falls looks like. And this is Emerald Falls dichondra. Dichondra is very slow growing at the beginning of the growing season, so you should sow seeds as early as possible to have time to grow a big, beautiful plant in time for spring. Number 9. Exacum, or Persian violet. This is a delicate plant that can be grown both as a houseplant and as a flower to decorate a terra or balcony. Unfortunately, Exacum grows very slowly, so seeds should be sown as early as possible, but no later than February. Late sowing of Exacum seeds will lead to late flowering. You will not have time to enjoy the full beauty of this Persian violet. Exacum is unpretentious, but can suffer from mildew, The plant is afraid of sudden temperature changes and wet, foggy nights. Number 10. Lavender. I adore this perennial and I'm very happy that it can finally adapt to the cold conditions of Zone 5B, where I live. Lavender seeds need seed stratification, cold treatment for at least 2 weeks, before sowing, so I prefer to sow lavender seeds as early as February. You can use a very simple sowing of lavender seeds directly on snow, if of course this is available in your climate zone. As soon as the snow melts and the soil warms up a bit, the lavender will show its first sprouts. Then you have to wait until they grow a little and find them a new place in the flower bed. And finally, as a bonus, number 11. It's a delphinium perennial. I'm not good at growing it from seed, because most of the seeds of this plant that you can buy are expired. Delphinium also requires stratification before planting, so seeds should be sown in early February. Another important point is the rapid aging of adult plants. Old delphiniums are usually not very decorative, so you need to update your seed bank every 3 to 4 years if you want to have a beautiful, lush delphinium blooms. That's all. Thank you for sticking with me. See you soon! Don't forget to give a thumbs up because I worked hard to create this video.